Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Flow on a PC in 2026. If you want to create AI-generated videos using your Windows computer or laptop, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC. Google Flow works best with the latest version of Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, so make sure your browser is up to date. Then visit the Google Flow website and sign in using your Google account. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Google Flow dashboard. This is where you can view your existing projects or start creating a new one. To begin, click the New Project button. Once the workspace opens, enter a detailed text prompt describing the video you want the AI to generate. Include information such as the scene, characters, camera angles, lighting, visual style, and any other important details. A well-written prompt usually produces better results. If Google Flow supports uploading reference images or other media, click the Upload option and add your files. These references can help the AI better understand the style or content you're trying to create. Next, review your project settings and click the Generate button. Google Flow will begin processing your request. Depending on the complexity of your project, video generation may take several minutes. When your video is ready, preview it directly in the browser. If you're satisfied with the result, use the Download option to save the video to your computer. If you'd like to make changes, simply edit your prompt or settings and generate another version. For the best experience on a PC, keep your browser updated, maintain a stable internet connection, and close unnecessary tabs if your computer is running slowly. And that's how to use Google Flow on a PC in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.